Oh, they can't see you still. Sorry. So, this video is a month in the making. Just trying to get everything all together. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. This video is about a month and a half in the making. Yeah. I wanted to start this line, but then complete it all and open up everything on video, right? Yeah. So this video is a mixture of Hot Topic, Entertainment Earth, Macari, and I'm not sure what else. I think that's it. Those three. So ready to get into it?
Yeah.
What do you want to start with? Entertainment Earth, Macari, or Hot Topic?
Maybe we should have Hot Topic.
Hot Topic first?
Yeah.
Is it just because I said Hot Topic? Is that why?
Yeah.
Yeah?
If you do Macari again tomorrow.
Okay, I gotta figure out which one is which. That's Macari.
1 hour later.
So, Hot Topic.
Say no pee.
Sure.
Yes, I told him my eye.
First one. Now, what would be funny is I bought this. Oh, I'll tell you right now. I ordered this October 17th, so almost a month. It'd be funny if this thing is damaged and I missed my return window. So it's one pop and Hot Topic. At least it's in a sorter, so it's not broken. You ready? So, first one is Zombie Silver Surfer. Yep, so I am, wow. So I am starting the zombie line. It's, I don't know, they're cool. No? Okay, no problem.
I liked it.
There you go. I'm starting the line because when I got that Marvel box, the zombie one. Oh, Kobe.
Kobe.
I don't know, I liked it. I never really seen them. I never really looked at them like hard. Like up and personal. I would see him in Hot Topic. I'd see this on Hot Topic and I'd be like, oh, okay, whatever. But then those the Marvel box, it was good. I liked it. So I'm going down the rabbit hole. So what do you want, Macari or you want Entertainment Earth?
Macari shirt.
Macari, okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
What do we got from Macari?
Well, remember, it's all the same thing.
Oh, so that would.
So it has to be a zombie.
Yeah, we should have another zombie.
Yeah.
Zombie. Oh, it's the zombie. Yeah, we got another zombie. Yes, which one is it? Oh.
Also, in these Macari things, I didn't even open them to rate. I just rated them. I didn't open them. Thanks.
Here it comes.
Let's hope they did good. So second one is.
Oh, it's another.
Ooh, it is mint. It is
Another
Funko Shop exclusive Magneto.
zombie.
Another zombie.
Can I see him?
Yeah.
Can I see him?
You know, it's another one. Like I saw that in the Funko Shop. I could have gotten it at a Funko Shop instead of paying like a Macari price, but whatever. It's one of those things where you don't think you're gonna start the line and then you start it.
Next?
This is another Macari box.
Oh, I don't know what to the tower. I hope it's another zombie.
Oh, it might be. It might be.
I hope it's a pink one.
A pink one?
Yeah.
I think Magneto's the closest thing you would get to pink.
Yeah.
So.
Might get the pink.
Ooh. This one's not very protected. Oh no, 1 minute. That's wrapped in bubble wrap.
Can you take the bubble wrap off?
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Damn, man. Why? Like, why would you put that sticker right on that GameStop? Anyway. It's the zombie Venom. Funko Club exclusive.
Daddy Tyson?
Hold on. I want to take this damn sticker off. I got it off. Wow. It's Venom. He's a zombie.
But why did he set him on though?
Another Entertainment Earth one.
Yeah, I picture that. I hope it's not a pink zombie.
Another what?
A pink zombie.
I don't think it's a pig. You're gonna be sadly, disappointed. There ain't no pink zombies in here. Sorry. This is. Oh, okay. So this is a good one.
I hope there will have a dark zipper novel. Oh man.
This is Minty Mint. Good. This is the Walmart exclusive glow in the dark Magneto.
Daddy, do my mom do this on the now?
Oh, that glow! I just holding it here in the light. Wait. Let me see.
Daddy, it had the dark zipper. It had the dark zipper.
Oh, that is that like rubbery? Wow.
I see.
I gotta see the glow on that one later.
You may read that.
I don't know what that is. It's note inside.
Oh, it's the
it's a thank you
pigment
note.
one.
Thanks.
That's for me.
Oh. Well, thank you for the stickers. Oh, stickers. Stickers.
Mitzi starter.
And stickers.
Mitzi sister.
That is dope. This is the So this is the Walmart exclusive
Batman.
zombie Wolverine.
Oh man.
So that's cool. His inside his body, because obviously he's a zombie, but you can see his metallic skin. Zombie Wolverine. There you go. Okay. One more from Macari.
But
This box is a little damaged. That's Entertainment Earth.
we got to do entertainment next. And one more Macari box.
Right.
And the Romeo.
Sends in a pop protector.
What?
Oh.
Oh.
This is the Walmart. Oh, why do people do that? Why? It should be the other way. Anyway. This is the Walmart exclusive Zombie Deadpool. Zombie Deadpool. Thing is with Entertainment Earth, I've always had this problem with Entertainment Earth, is they never tell you when they're shipping. They never tell you when they're going to charge you. So it's sort of surprised in your bank account, like, hey, we're charging you for a pop and the shipping, and we'll send you some tracking at some point. And then it just shows up like 2 weeks later.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, it's an email.
This is, okay, so this one is the Entertainment exclusive Wolverine. And this one glows in the dark also. So, got 2 glows in the dark. So, what's the difference between 2 pops? Same mold. The only difference is one glows. Whatever.
Is this Spider-Man?
No, this is Deadpool.
Deadpool?
Yeah, they haven't done the Spider-Man one. I'm guessing that'll be like the. It'll be like the next round. And this is the regular zombie Mysterio. Yeah.
Cassie.
This is the regular zombie Mysterio.
Cassie.
There you go. This is the last one for the line.
I did that Deadpool.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Peach. Oh, they do their Deadpool. I did the high Deadpool right there. Oh,
Insane Earth is very funny with their shipping. Sometimes they put it.
It's Spider-Man. I don't know
So
why
this is the Zombie Hulk.
Yeah, the Zombie Hulk to
here.
come out. Yay, woohoo!
So
Like that.
yeah, it is. So I got the one from NYCC. That's here. And then I got the two from So on the back of the Daredevil from NYCC, they added Zombie Gambit and Zombie Black Panther. So there's two more to this line gonna be added on, which is fine. Let's just hope the second wave is just as cool as the first wave and they don't flop like the Venomized line and I get totally angry because it's all crappy. So I got some new shelves, so I'm gonna take down this Spider-Man painting I got here, put some shelves there, put some shelves over my television, and add to the wall because I'm running out of space. Just if they add icons. They add icons, I have no more space for, so I need a whole nother row.
Daddy, where you going to put your TV at?
Oh, TV's gonna stay there. So that was it. That was our Marvel Zombies line finisher, I guess you can say. Video. Yeah, you like the Daredevil? I like Daredevil too. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. And she just wants to go. Later, Funko Dad and out. We'll see y'all later.